Ekta. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a sugarless dessert which is very healthy. These coconut date balls are one of my favorite pantry recipes for healthy snacking. They are gluten-free, 100% vegan and Whole30 compliant. Now let's get started. If you are not there yet, please join our community by subscribing to this channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys soon with another one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy and keep cooking. Bye.